So today I would be solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So first I gotta scramble it up. So this is Rubik's brand, so it's trash. And I messed it up with trying to use trumpet oil for lubing, which was stupid. And like I thought it would work. So I'm doing a good mix. Okay, I think that's good enough. So first of all, for getting the white side, you want to try to find like a corner piece. So right here, just twist it up. And find another one, twist it all the way up. Now for this piece, you want to do down, left prime, down prime, left. And then it'll be up. Now, it's not solved yet because see how this part is. But it's not like that on all the sides. So what you want to do is like go down and take one out. And look around for, so see, green, orange. And you just want to look around. Ah, there's a green right here. And this one has an orange and a blue, so that'll fit right there. So what you want to do, down, prime, right prime, down, right. And then just do the other one I told you. And got first thing solved. And next for this, you want to turn it upside down. And you're going to solve the yellow side. So if I get a last layer skip, I'll just re-scramble it and do it. So what you want to do is R prime, U prime, no wait, hold on. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2. Okay, and then you just want to repeat that, and you should get it. And now we're on the last step. See this algorithm I have right here? I cannot remember it. So that is the algorithm. Or algorithm. So it goes R prime front. Wait, hold on. What you want to do is have, like, say there's a side that's just like, you can just go like that. You want to have that side away from where you're looking. And then you can begin. R prime, F, R prime, B prime 2, R, front prime, R, B prime 2, R prime, B prime 2, and then just go that way. Rubik's Cube is solved. So that was how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Peace.